Today's Tech Tip Tuesday is about Seesaw Calendar View. To start, you're going to go to your Seesaw class app or on the browser. This feature is available for both teachers and students. You're going to find the calendar view icon and tap on it. You can browse by going to the specific month and year. The calendar view allows you to browse posts arranged by the specific date they're added. You can tap on the date to view items on that day. And to view the actual item, you tap it and enlarge it. You can use any of the comments and likes and other features available from here. Exit to go back. And you can also browse by student. Click on the student's name and it will load their posts arranged by date. You can find what items were added for that student on specific dates and check if that student has submitted on those dates or not. You can also browse by folder. So if you tap on the folder, it'll open the folders and the subjects. You can tap on the actual subject to view if that student has submitted to that subject on the date. The calendar view is a great way for you and your students to view work over time. It also makes it easier for you as a teacher to check if students have submitted on specific dates that you assign. I hope this is helpful.